Welcome, and thank you for viewing this quick video, where I will talk about and demonstrate multi-attribute whitelisting. SIEMs use whitelisting for a couple of reasons. Whitelisting allows certain IP addresses, emails, users, etc. to bypass security controls and not trigger alerts unnecessarily. It also keeps alerts from being triggered by specific entities during pen testing or other security operations testing. In the past, Securonix was limited to identifying one attribute per whitelist. For many situations, this was adequate, but there is potential for a user to change IP addresses or email addresses or another attribute. By doing so, activities using the new attribute would begin to trigger alerts. Multi-attribute whitelisting minimizes the chances of this happening. Now Securonix allows users to choose up to 3 attributes to attribute to a whitelist. Now let's take a look at how we do this within the Securonix Unified Defense SIEM. I start by selecting the violations pane in the Security Command Center dashboard. I'm presented with 2 violations, and I'm going to choose the first one. From the violations summary, I select the Violations Events tab. I am then presented with the details about the violation. From here, I can click on an attribute, in this case an email address, and add it to the whitelist. I can now see the email address I selected has been added to the whitelist, and I can now choose up to 2 other attributes to be added. Now I want to associate the whitelist with a policy. I search for a policy I created for this demo called MAW_demo1. I find the policy and select it. There are other things I can do within this whitelist, like set an expiration date if I'm doing pen testing. I can also add comments to keep a history of why the whitelist was created to be used for future reference. I have now created a multi-attribute whitelist associated to a policy. But what if I want to associate a whitelist to a function? The process is very similar. Once again, I view the violation pane. This time, I'm going to choose the second violation. I am once again presented with the violation summary, and I click on the Violation Events tab. I can see the details of the event and the attributes associated with it. I will once again choose the email address attribute. I right-click and select Add to Whitelist. Once again, the email address is already present, and I can choose the other attributes I want to add to the whitelist. To align the whitelist to a functionality, I select the For Functionality radio button. Here, I search for the function I want. I choose the MAW_demo function. The whitelist is now associated with the functionality. To view the whitelist I created, I can go to the whitelist view in this pop-up message, or access it from the menu. Here I can select the policy or functionality I want to review and view the attributes associated with them. And if I made any comments when I created the whitelist, I can also see those here. Thank you for viewing this quick demo about multi-attribute whitelisting, and be sure to look for future mini demo videos from Securonix.